Do you want to know how you can delete your Starry AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Starry AI account. Go ahead and open starryai.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. What you need to do is go ahead and click on this profile, which you can see on the top right hand corner, and then click on complete profile. Scroll all the way down and you can see the delete option over here. Go ahead and click delete and click delete once again. This will permanently delete your account and all of your data will be gone. So if you are sure you want to continue, click delete and then your account will be deleted. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and click on your profile on the top right hand corner and then click complete profile. Scroll all the way down and you can see delete account option. Click delete account and then click delete. I hope this video about how you can delete your Starry AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.